pen, pan, pet, pig, pot, tit, pup, tin, pop, pad, pat, pie, pay, put, peg, pal, pond, pink, pick, pack, park, part, tear, play, plan, plus, pull, push, tickle, past, post, path, page, pipe, till, pine, cool, cure, peak, palm, pain, plug, pour, port, plot, pose, poke, pile, pat, pass, puff, pray, pram, pail, pint, pony, pace, pour, pack up, pocket, police, power, paper, paint, point, plant, place, price, piece, proof, phone, photo, party, prize, press, pound, pitch, pupil, panda, peach, pearl, peel, peep, peer, peck, peas, peak, happy, perch, pedal, piano, piece, pizza, pilot, penny, poem, poet, cool, poor, postman, pocket, police, polish, powerful, player, planet, prayer, pillow, potato, puppet, puppy, puzzle, purple, pretty, prince, princess, present, problem, project, public, people, person, place, parcel, pencil, picture, plastic, perfect, plenty, proper, proud, parent, promise, protect, provide, program, practice, patient, paying, painting, planning, playing, parking, pushing, pulling, packing, posting, praying, payable, playable, peaceful, powerful, painful, useful, playground, platform, pantry, paperwork, passport, password, pasting, parting, partner, partyware, pattern, payback, payment, peacetime, peacock, peanuts, pebble, pedal, perfectly, performance, performer, personal, petrol, photograph, physical, picture book, pickup, pillowcase, pinch, ping, pinky, piefork, pirate, pitcher, plane, plastic bag, plate, platform, player, playpen, playtime, plaything, please, pleasure, plow, plugged, plum, plumber, pocketbook, polite, politely, politeness, police car, policeman, policy, pole, poly, polygon, pawn side, pontoon, poodle, poolside, poorly, popcorn, popular, popularity, positive, possible, possibly, postage, postbox, postcard, posters, postman, postwoman, pottery, pouch, poultry, pound cake, pouring, powder, powerhouse, practice book, practical, practically, prayer book, preach, preacher, precious, prefer, preference, premium, prepare, prepared, presently, pressing, crusher, pretend, pretty face, prevent, preview, previous, pricey, primary, prime, prince, princess, principal, print, printer, printing, prior, priority, prison, prisoner, privacy, private, prize winner, problematic, process, processor, produce, product, production, profession, professor, profile, profit, programmer, progress, projector, promise, promote, promotion, proofread, properly, property, protest, proudly, provide, provider, province, publicity, publish, publisher, puddle, puller, pullover, pump, pumpkin, punch, punish, pupil, purchase, purely, purple, purpose, pushcart, pusher, puzzle book, pyramid, python, parade, parrot, parcel, parenting, partly, partnering, passage, passenger, passion, passive, passport, pastime, patch, patience, patiently, patrol, patterned, pause, peanut, peasant, pebbles, pedestrian, peak, peerless, penman, pencil box, pending, penholder, penknife, pelmite, pennant, pension, pentagon, peoples, pepper, perfection, perfume, performer, period, permit, personality, persuade, pet shop, pharmacy, phase, phenomenon, Phillips, philosophy, phoenix, photo album, photocopy, photographer, physics, picnic, picture frame, piecework, tier, piggy, piglet, pigeon, pillbox, pillowcase, pilotless, pinball, pinboard, pineapple, ping pong, pinkish, pipeline, piracy, pistol, pitching, pity, placard, placement, plainly, plank, planner, planting, plastic cup, plateful, playboy, playback, playbook, played 8, playfield, playmate, playroom, PlayStation, playwright, pleasant, pleasantly, pleasureful, pledge, plentiful, plotter, plugboard, plug-in, plural, plush, plywood, poacher, pocketful, podcast, poem book, poetess, pointer, pointless, poison, poker, polar, Polaroid, poles, Polish cloth, politician, pollution, polybag, polygonal, polytechnic, pomelo, pom-pom, poncho, pond life, ponytail, pool table, pop song, pop star, popularly, population, portable, portion, portrait, position, possession, postpone, postscript, populi,